Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website template in Canva. Are you ready? So go ahead and proceed with logging into your canva.com. So log in with your account. And once you're on your homepage, go ahead and click templates. That will be found in the left panel of your screen. And then go ahead and proceed with searching it out. And there you go. Website templates is available in Canva. So what you're going to do is to choose among the available templates. So for now, let's just try this one. You just have to click this customize this template. And once you're done, you can edit this website template with all your suitable needs. All right. And then after that, you just have to save and you can go ahead and proceed and posting it on your website or whatnot. Okay? So I hope that this video helped you a lot and see you in my next video. Bye guys.